How to export video on InShot app. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And in this video, we will see how we can export video on InShot application. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have the InShot application installed in your device. If not, you can install it from Google Play Store. Now, if you have already installed the application, now navigate to application and open it up. After you open it up, you will get to see this interface. From here, you have to select a video. So for that, tap on a video. If you like to proceed with the draft video in InShot, you can do that by selecting any one from your draft, or you can simply add a new video. For that, tap on this new option and then select a video and then tap on done. Once you have your video ready in this InShot application, now you can simply edit this video. You can add audio, you can add sticker, you can add text, and there are various options such as effect, filter, and many more. So you can simply edit this video. Now once you're done editing your video, to export it, all you have to do is tap on export button or option from the top right corner. Tap on export. There you will get various options to change the resolution, the frame rate, and the format. You can change that as well. And once you're done, tap on export button. And here it says converting the video. It will take some time, and once it is done, the video will be directly exported to your gallery. So that's how you can export video on InShot application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.